Let's draft this pattern together. First, I've gotten my plain paper and my guideline. I've already drawn it on our plain paper as usual. So with the compass, I'll be taking a measurement of 2.3 centimeter. Then the far end of the paper, that's the right hand side of it, that's where I will draw my circle like so. So after drawing this circle, take a measurement from the guideline down 5 centimeter. Okay, now take the full length of your circle using our guideline. Okay, you should be having about 4.5 to 4.6 centimeter. Then make a mark and use your ruler to connect it like I just did. Okay, so now from our 5 centimeter, we're going to connect it to this end of the circle. We're trying to form half hearts here. So after this, we'll use this as a guideline to curve our heart. It's not going to be straight, so just with the straight line you make, just use it as a guideline while you form your hearts like I did. Keep curving it till you get a shape that is perfect for you. Okay, so after this other end, we're going to take 1.4 centimeter upwards. So from here to this place is 1.4 centimeter. Then curve it into the circle itself. All right, so now from our guideline, we take a measurement of 5 centimeter downwards and 1.4 upwards and connect it to the heart. It's same measurement, so just connect it to the half heart we have drawn earlier. So after this, our pattern is ready. We are going to cut it and I'll write out the measurements again. So now this is what we have: 1.4 centimeter here, 5 centimeter here, and 2.3 centimeter with your compass and draw circle. So we're taking another measurement here and here. So with our tape, we'll take a measurement on our half circle, 1 centimeter this place and also upward 1 centimeter. These are the places where we'll be cutting out to interlock our heart. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and punch my pattern so that it will be a guide while tracing it on my ladder. So this is what we have. So I'll go ahead and cut my ladder now. So here I've cut my ladder and I've also lined it. I will use the pattern to mark out where I will be cutting out. Okay, so use your pattern, place it back, and use your silver pen please to mark out with the pattern where the cutting will come. Okay, so now after doing this, use your tape to make sure that the place you mark is actually 1 centimeter. If it's not, you can just adjust it. So now what we're going to do next is to slit where we made a mark. All right, so now one will go inward while the other one will cutting it outward. So this is our mark. It's not visible because of the color, so I will use my ruler and connect this one inward. Okay, while this one goes outward like so. So you do it for the two side of it. Okay, so here I'll be cutting it out and here is inward. So with the help of my ruler, and you can use a razor blade or your utility knife, make sure you're using a ruler so that your line will be as straight as possible while cutting the inward part of it. Okay, so after cutting this, I will slit the other part just to the mark where I made earlier like so. So you should be having it this way for the left and also for the right. So I've done everything, and let's just interlock the two. So using this one that we slit inward, we'll use the other one and pass it through it like so. So pass it and fix it together. This is how it looks. This is how to fix it. It's not as difficult as the pattern itself or the design itself looks. So this is what you do, and your vamp is interlocked. Okay, so after this, what I'll do is just to sew along the straight line so that it doesn't pull out, nothing is holding it. So it's just to sew it and you couple your footwear. The first one I did, I punched it first before cutting it out. So after that, I noticed that it doesn't look very pretty well. So that is why I did not punch this particular one. So I'll go ahead and couple this. So our footwear is ready. If you have any question, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer the question. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in my next class. Bye.